Hello, this is Luther on his phone, and this is Nadia digging in Rebecca's purse. She's just bored. This is Rebecca. I can't stand her. And this is Benji hiding her face. She's probably scared. And she plays basketball. And they're both wearing orange. Rebecca and Benji. And Nadia again. And this is me. Hi. And then this is the hospital. And then we are watching something on TV. And then that's the Pepsi. And as you see, we are looking outside of St. Joseph's Hospital. And we are on the 4th floor of the critical building place. Not critical. So these are all the buildings. It's way bigger than that. And action.